How to change Instagram password. In this tutorial we will see the full steps to change the Instagram password. If you watch the video until the end, you will find an insane fact about Instagram. First, you need to be logged into your account. If you do not know the password, try to reset it. Now, tap on the profile icon from the bottom bar. On your profile, tap the three dots menu from the top right. On this menu bar, you will have on the bottom the settings. Tap on this. From these options, tap on security. And here, tap on password. You need to know your current password to modify it. If you do not know the password, tap on reset link. Now, write your current password on the first input. Now, write your new password on the second and third field. After you have correctly completed this, just tap on the done button from the top. Your password has been changed on Instagram. Now, the Instagram fact that you probably do not know. The first photo ever posted on Instagram was by the co-founder Kevin on July 16, 2010. The photo is a picture of a dog. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.